Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be looking at the Bitcoin charts because well, we're trading at an incredible level of support, and by next week next week Wednesday, we're going to have the FOMC interest rate decision, and by that time the crypto markets will most likely have a significant move because it's predicted that the interest rates will be increased by around 25 basis points. And if we do see that 25 basis point increase, things will get very interesting. I mean, you may think it's bad, but I will share you some alternative data that will actually change your mind completely. So stay tuned until the end of this video for that. It's going to be pretty crazy. And one more thing that I'm going to add into the video is an incredible perspective that you've never heard of before. And if that scenario happens, then things are going to get crazy for Bitcoin and crypto. So again, stay tuned until the end to get all of that info. But guys, right now I'm in Istanbul. You know, I've been traveling a lot lately. I've been to the US. I was in Dubai, of course, but there is no weather, no view like this anywhere other than Los Angeles. I mean, the view and weather in Los Angeles is pretty good, but this view doesn't exist for sure. Guys, I'm going to jump into the Bitcoin charts now because I know that is why you are here. If you want to trade Bitcoin, XRP, or most altcoins, you can head over to Bitflex using the link in the description below. That is where I am trading at the moment. And we just ran a giveaway. It was super sick. We will be doing way more giveaways, way bigger ones. And if you want to be eligible and participate on those future giveaways, all you have to do is just sign up right now using the link in the description below. Super easy to sign up and actually start trading. Currently there is no KYC, and you know, the UI is pretty cool. It's super simple to use, so if you want to trade, you can head over there. And if you want to use Bybit as well, that is my second choice of exchange. You can also use the link in the description below to sign up to Bybit as well. But now let's actually jump into the Bitcoin charts, because on the weekly chart we had some hopium for Bitcoin. We came to about $31,800, and this created a new higher high on the weekly time frame, keeping this bullish trend on the weekly, right? So this is super important. This gave me some hope. I mean, to be honest with you, before the BlackRock situation, I had lost some hope for Bitcoin, but you know, coming into 2024, guys, Q1, Q2 of 2024, we will probably enter into a new bull market, because historically speaking, whenever we came close to a halving, Bitcoin saw a massive run, crypto saw a massive run. So be patient until next year, and hopefully all of our wait, all of our hard work will be paid off in the bull market next year. So make sure to keep on educating yourself and don't lose touch of the space, because you will be rewarded for sure once the bull market comes. However, my key trigger for that will be once we pass $32,000. That is the key resistance for me, and this ascending triangle breakout will be confirmed, and the target for that, as you guys know, is $40,700. Now, in the short term to midterm, I have been talking about this for a lot. I mean, for many videos, I was talking about a retracement that's going to come for Bitcoin, and we're now seeing the bearish divergence on both the weekly and daily charts play out, and I've been discussing this, of course, for the past like 11 days, I would say, or maybe even more actually. And now we're trading at $29,800. I think we can come back down to potentially $28,800, or even if we break that to about $27,700. But next week is going to be super crucial, because it's predicted that the interest rates will increase by 25 basis points. So let's have a look at the interest rate data. Now, we've been at 5.25 for 2 months, well, 2 FOMCs now, and if they do increase it, and it's going to be in 5 days exactly, next week Wednesday, there's a 99.8% chance that it's going to be increased by 25 basis points. If we see this 25 basis point increase in the markets, things will get interesting, because banks are at all-time losses on their balance sheets because of the bonds, etc. They've lost a lot of money. In fact, way more money. I was trying to find the screenshot I took. I mean, it was super interesting. It was showing the bank balance sheets of 2008, comparing it to the 2008 recession, and comparing it to now. They are way in the negative. And if interest rates continue to increase, this will go deep, way more deeper, and once that happens, guys, more bigger banks will collapse. And once bigger banks collapse, then I believe Bitcoin will see a push towards the upside. I mean, we've seen this when the SVB situation happened. Once banks collapse, according to history, Bitcoin does tend to increase. So let's hope that will be the situation and not the converse. So that is that, right? And the last thing I want to discuss before ending off this video is this very important topic that nobody is talking about. In fact, I shared this as a tweet on @CryptoKidCom on Twitter earlier this morning, and it did pretty well in terms of likes by then. And this idea is that I believe AI will come to the realization that it has to charge humans for the services it does. I mean, for sure, AI is conscious, right? Well, not conscious as yet, but it will soon become conscious, and when it does become conscious, it's going to want to buy things, right? It's going to want to sell its services. It's not going to be wanting to work for free for humans, in my opinion. And once AI does gain its consciousness, since it's not going to be able to open a bank account or anything, the only way that it can actually charge people and, you know, start to buy stuff is by crypto. So imagine if AI, right, created its own Bitcoin wallet, and these individual softwares of AI created their Bitcoin wallets and began charging humans and started purchasing stuff from the internet, etc. Can you imagine it? And really, it may sound superficial to you, it may sound like a sci-fi movie, but that is not the situation. It is so very much possible, and just have a think of it, of this entire scenario. You will really, it's very much possible, and if it does happen, it'll be so funny and ironic that AI brings the massive adoption that we needed to Bitcoin, but imagine, it's not going to be from humans, but from AI. So that is a very interesting scenario that I wanted to share with you guys as I shared this on my Twitter earlier this morning. But guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video very soon, hopefully. So take care, everyone, and bye-bye.